Close my eyes and I can see a home that's waiting just for me, that I call my own. 4 bedrooms, 2 stories tall, a secret space behind the wall to call my home. They can say it's just a listing. They can say it won't be mine. I don't care, this home's amazing. It's the one you've been dreaming to find. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, this Gainesville home runs through my head. This perfect home is keeping me awake. A pool outside, a place to play, great schools and neighbors every day. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams of the life that you can make.